Welcome to Kalokali Upazila online class. I am Kamrul Hassan with you. Dear learners, today I shall take class 8 English first paper, chapter 7 and lesson 2. So dear learners, please take your textbook, exercise book and pen. If there is any necessary, please note down on your exercise book. So, dear learners, what do you see in this picture? Okay, dear learners, perhaps you have seen here two women, and the picture one, a woman or someone is doing something in the water, and in the second picture perhaps it is the area of a river bank or a sea bank, and two women are carrying something with them. Is it? Okay, dear learners, what are the women doing here? Can you guess? Okay, perhaps in the first picture, the woman is looking for something in the water, isn't it? And the second picture, perhaps they are carrying something with their baskets. Okay, dear learners, what nationality does she belongs to? Okay, perhaps they are Japanese or Chinese or Korean, as they are short in size. Okay, dear learners, so our today's lesson is about the ama divers. So dear learners, before starting your reading, please look at, there are some keywords here. So please look at the keywords. The first one is rare. If there is any necessary, you can write it on your exercise book. Rare, it is adjective, and the meaning of rare is uncommon. So we can make a sentence with it. COVID-19 is a rare virus. So the second word is decent. Decent, it is a verb, and the meaning of decent is go down. Go down. And the next one is hazardous. Hazardous, it is adjective. The meaning of hazardous is dangerous or risky. Then rely, it is verb. The meaning of rely is depend or trust. So the learners, please open your textbook at page 80. Open your textbook as page 80. I am going through. Please look at your books. Before the beginning of the 20th century, pearls were obtained from pearl oyster. These oysters were collected from the bottom of the ocean, lakes or river. To get enough pearl oyster, sea divers were often forced to descend to the depth of more than 100 feet in one breath. Because of the difficulty of diving, pearls at that time were of different quality as well as very rare. In Asia, some pearl oysters could be found on shells at a depth of 5 to 7 feet from the surface. At times, the divers had to go 40 feet or even up to 125 feet deep to find enough pearl oyster. These deep divers were extremely hazardous to the divers. So the learners, the question here, what is the text about? What is the text about? Please try to find out the answer of this question from this text. Have you found? Yes, dear learners, please check the answer with me. What is the text about? The text is about Ama divers, isn't it? Okay, dear learners, the next question. Where did the people get the pearls from? Where did the people get the pearls from? Yes. The people got the pearls from ocean, lakes and ponds. Isn't it? Okay, dear learners. Then look at the page at 81. Yes. I am going through. Please look at your books. In some fishing villages along the coast of Japan, there are amazing group of women known as Ama divers. These women worked and are still working as Ama. The word Ama means women of the sea or sea women. They are independent drivers. They make their driving by driving. They make their living by driving. They can dive to the depth of the sea up to 25 meters, and they dive without using oxygen tanks or other breathing equipments. The Ama divers rely on their own skills and breathing technique. They use that skill and technique to push themselves down to the bottom of the sea and back to the surface again. They can hold their breath for up to 2 minutes. Carefully watching lung capacity and hunter instruments are the special qualities of AMA divers. However, some of these young villagers are going to the city for other jobs. The remaining AMA drivers are now aged between 50 to 60, but there are still some who continue to drive even at their 17s. If the young people do not take up AMA driving, soon this profession will dry out. So the learners, there are also some questions below the reading. Try to find out the answers of this question from your reading. Okay, dear learners, I hope you have already finished. And now check your answer with me. The first question, why are the AMA drivers amazing? Okay, hope that you have already has found the answer. The AMA drivers are amazing as they drive into the sea without taking oxygen or any equipment, and they drive deep on 25 meters. So it is amazing. Then the question, how deep can the AMA drivers go down into the sea? Okay, the AMA drivers can go 25 meters in the sea. Is it? Okay, dear learners, and then what technique and skills do the AMA drivers use in driving? Yes, the AMA drivers use their own technique in driving sea. Okay, dear learners, the last one is, why do you think are the young villagers going to the city? Okay, to enjoy better life, today's villagers are going to the cities. Okay, dear learners, you know that in your question number 3, there would be a gap filling, and the gap would be in your exercise book. So now, please look at the screen and fill in these gaps. I am going through. The AMA drivers dash on their own skills and breathing technique. They use their skill and technique to push themselves down to the dash of the sea and back to the surface again. They can hold their dash for up to 2 minutes. Careful watching, lung capacity and hunter dash are the special qualities of AMA dash. Okay, dear learners, please write the answers of these feelings. Okay, dear learners, I hope you have already finished. Now, check the answer. Okay, the first one is rely, and then bottom, and then breath, instincts, and number E, diverse. Dear learners, you must write the answers of your answer scripts vertically in this way. A, B, C, D and E must be represented in these vertical ways. Okay, dear learners, all for today. We will meet for the next class and hope that this panical situation will overcome very soon, and we will take your as usual class. So for that time, stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.